Organic chemistry, 2 marks questions, maximum IUPAC names. They will ask maximum IUPAC names. So write the IUPAC names. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons means pent. So 5 carbons means pent. The double bond is present at which position? Double bond has always gives least first priority. First priority means here 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth priority. But right to left is 1, 2, first priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So double bond is present at first carbon atom. So that's why pent 1 double bond is present, that is in pent 1 in. Its name is pent 1 in, or simply it is called as 1 pentane. Both are correct. Pent 1 in or 1 pentane. So next one. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3. Bond line structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms. It contains C double bond O. If C double bond O is present, that is either aldehyde group or ketone group. Here C double bond O contains both side carbons. That means it is a ketone. So how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons means pentane. All are single bonds N. If keto group is present, one. Pentanone. Which pentanone? Second carbon has functional groups. That's why it is called as 2-pentanone. 2-pentanone. So 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons, pentane. Second carbon has 1. So that's why 2-pentanone. 1, 2, 3. Third carbon has ketone group. So that's why it is called as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. 3-pentanone. 3-pentanone. Or pentane 3-1. Pentane 2-1. Both are correct. So next CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. How many carbons? 4 carbons. 4 carbons means bute. Bute. Double bond is present. So that's why it is called as yin. Butane. Double bond is present at which position? First position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why 1 butane. 1 butane. Okay, next one CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH2. 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. So that's why bute. If more than one double bond is present, then buta. How many double bonds? 2 double bonds. If double bond is present in, 2 double bonds are present. So that's why it is called as diene. 1 in, 2 times. So diene. Butadiene. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond is present at first carbon atom and third carbon atom. So that's why it is called as 1, 3 butadiene. Between the numbers, write comma. Between the number and word, write hyphen. So 1, 3 butadiene, or it is also called as buta 1, 3 diene. Both are correct. Buta 1, 3 diene or 1, 3 butadiene. So next one. It is benzene. Benzene contains CHO and NO2. Which one is main functional group? CHO. If CHO is present, that is called as aldehyde. If benzene contains CHO, that is called as benzene carbaldehyde or benzaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde or benzaldehyde. Both are correct. So if it is numbering 1, 2, 3, because functional group carbon has first position 1, 2, 3. Third position nitro. So 3 nitro, 3 nitro. Its name is benzaldehyde. 3 nitro benzaldehyde or 3 nitro benzene carbaldehyde. Both are correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position NO2. So its name is 4 nitro benzaldehyde. 4 nitrobenzaldehyde or 4 nitrobenzene carbaldehyde. Both are correct. Okay. Very important. Not this one. Okay, next 2 marks questions in organic chemistry. Write structures of trichloroethanoic acid. So ethanoic acid formula CH3COOH. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is ethanoic acid. IUPAC name. Trichloroethanoic acid. That means 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 chlorine atoms. That means CCl3COOH. So CCl3COOH is trichloroethanoic acid. So next, neopentane. Very easy. Pentane means 5 carbon atoms. Neo means 1 carbon is surrounded by 4 carbon atoms. So that means C, 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 C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms. Pent, all are single bonds. N. So the remaining, here 3 hydrogens, because carbon valence is 4. So CH3, CH3. So it is neopentane. So next, paranitro benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde formula, benzene contains CHO, That is benzaldehyde. Para position nitro, it is ortho, it is meta, it is para. So para position NO2. So para nitro benzaldehyde. So next, write the conformations of ethane. Very important, easy. So conformations of ethane are three. Staggered conformation, next one, eclipsed conformation. Second one is eclipsed conformation. Third one is skew conformation. Staggered conformation, eclipsed conformation, and skew conformation. So what is its stability? So 2 marks question కాబట్టి మన stability is highly stable. Staggered is highly stable. Next one, eclipsed is least stable. So in between staggered and eclipsed, skew conformation is there. So skew is greater than eclipsed. So it is the stability order of staggered, skew, and eclipsed conformations. Okay, 2 marks, very important. What is Wood's reaction? Next, write whole base electrolysis. So what is Wood's reaction means? Alkyl halides, for example, are X. Alkyl halides reacts with sodium. 2 moles of alkyl halides. So that's why I write again XR. RX. 2 moles of alkyl halides reacts with 2 moles of sodium. So then 2 moles of Na reacts with 2 moles of X forms 2NaX. 2NaX plus R single bond R. So R single bond R means C single bond C, alkane. So alkanes are formed. Alkane is the major product when two alkyl halides, that means alkyl halides reacts with the sodium in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether forms alkanes. That is called as reaction. Alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal. Sodium in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether forms alkanes. Higher number of carbons containing alkanes. It is called as Wood's reaction. So if you take in the place of R CH3, in the place of X Br, CH3Br plus 2Na plus CH3Br, it forms CH3 single bond CH3. That means C2H6 plus 2NaBr. It is another example. If you write one example is enough. So one example enough. So 1 plus 1. So write whole base electrolysis. For example, 2 moles of potassium salt of carboxylic acid RCOOK plus electrolysis with water 2H2O. It forms an electrolysis with water, potassium salt of carboxylic acid forms R single bond R. R single bond R plus 2 carbons, 2 into 2, 4 oxygens, 2 CO2 plus 2 potassiums here, 2 OH groups, 2 KOH plus H2 gas. Potassium salt of carboxylic acid and electrolysis with water forms higher number of alkanes and it releases carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. So it is the salt of carboxylic acid and electrolysis with water forms alkane and releases CO2 and H2. CO2 and H2. Here alkane and carbon dioxide, these two are formed at anode and KOH and H2 is formed at cathode. Because cation moves towards cathode, anions moves towards anode. Okay.